Happy greetings to everyone. I am Rani B.Soffia from grade 6A from Acharya Balasiksha Mandir IIT Jigma campus. Today I am going to do my bring home activity, that is cotton bud. The materials are cotton, gum, paint and brush. Step number 1. Take the cotton and roll the cotton like a ball. Now, step number 2. Take some cottons and roll in small size. Step number 3. Take gum and paste the small ball into this big ball. Step number 4. Take pink color paint and draw in leaf shape. Step number 5. Take some cotton and roll and paint it and stick here as a nose. Step number 6. Take black paint and keep one high. This is a cotton bud. Thank you. Love you all.